If you've ever found your iPhone screen stuck halfway down or want to know how to use Reachability, you're in the right place. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tenorshare. Today, we'll explore what Reachability is, how to enable or disable it, and what to do if your iPhone gets stuck in this mode. Let's dive in. First things first, what is Reachability? Reachability is a super handy feature on iPhones designed to make it easier to use your device with one hand. By swiping down on the bottom edge of your screen, you can bring the top half of the screen down, making it easier to reach icons or buttons without stretching your fingers. It's especially useful on larger iPhones, where reaching the top of the screen can be a bit of a struggle. How to enable or disable Reachability? Reachability is enabled by default. What if you find Reachability more of a hassle than a help? You can disable it just as easily. Just open the Settings app. Scroll down and select Accessibility. Then tap on Touch. Toggle off Reachability. And just like that, Reachability is turned off. But what if your iPhone gets stuck in Reachability mode, with the screen halfway down, and you can't get it back to normal? This can be frustrating, but don't worry, there's a quick fix. The easiest way to get your screen back to normal is to perform a hard reset. Here is how to do this. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Let's try. This should fix the issue and return your screen to normal. If your iPhone still have problem, you can use a professional iOS system repair tool called ReiBoot. ReiBoot can fix over 150 iOS system issues without data loss, including problems like being stuck on the Apple logo, boot loops, and issues like being stuck in Reachability mode. You can get a free download using the link below. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.